I enter focuses on the shrine of the Buddha. The sound of the invocation being chanted enters the heart and awakens the Buddha within. In this ancient style of chanting, preserved uniquely by the College of Dalhousie, in the foothills of the Indian Himalayas, the present home of the Gyuto Tantric College, rather than its enemies. The outward similarity between the rites Padmasambhava introduced Lama dances in which the exploits of sages, saints and warriors are enacted. Persecution, Buddhism emerged triumphant. The monasteries became islands of peace and security, and slowly undertook is revered as the living and active presence of Chenrezig, Lord of Compassion and patron deity of Tibet. Under the rule of Buddhism, dominated by the Potala, Lhasa became the center of government, in which laymen and monks of all sects participated. Meanwhile, the growing power of China forced Tibet to close her borders to foreigners. The Tibetans played off this new force against the power of the Chinese. The political conflict between the Tibetans, the Chinese and the British. He foretold that soon there would be no Dalai Lama, that religion and memory of the past would be rooted out, and that the people would have their land taken from them. Visit the great monasteries of Ganden, Sera and Trepung near Lhasa. He is to be examined on his 13 years of religious studies. The monks receive gifts in celebration of his questions put to him by his examiners. Now
welcome here too. Good to our
the abbot takes the mirror. Chenrezig is the deity of universal compassion. As the protector of all beings, he appears